Hello and happy Tuesday, meteorologist Sean Macaday here. It is going to be feeling like summer today. That's not an exaggeration. We're going into the mid-70s, and you know what? It's dry too. That's nice. It does get windier this afternoon. It's 15 miles per hour. Gusting 20, 25 miles per hour. Still a breeze. You want to get outside for an outdoor patio lunch. A little bit less windy, a little bit around lunchtime. Still mostly sunny all day long. You got some light clouds this morning, blocking a little bit of sunshine, but not a whole lot. So I made that point. If you want to eat outside, lunchtime is probably the best time. A little bit less wind, still 70 degrees, upper 60s, low 70s. It's great. Mid to upper 70s, even warmer this afternoon, but it is going to get breezy. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. Now, those winds, though, is what making the temps so hot. Sunny skies, winds out of the south. It's bringing us that heat, mid to upper 70s. Overnight, we dropped to 60 degrees. That's going to break, most likely going to break the highest low temperature record, if that makes sense. Warmest low temperature record for April 12th tomorrow. And then we're going to do the same with the high temperature. Mid-80s tomorrow, mid-80s. That's above average for July. So it's going to be hot, and it's still pretty hot into Thursday, too. I'll show you that. Tomorrow, sunshine holds all day long. We rise into the 80s. Talking about high temperature records, the old record was 81. That was set in 1931. That's for Rochester. 84 is what we're going with tomorrow. We're going with 85 in Mason City. There's a chance we could break that record because the old record is 87. Hey, we could get really close to it. We could even touch it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. There's a chance. Not quite as likely. Either way, though, tomorrow is an astoundingly hot day, 84. That's where we're going. Sunny and breezy. Thursday, still pretty warm, 80. Still breezy. Getting windier, in fact, Thursday and Friday. Friday's still warm, too, mid to upper 70s. Looks like that rain and cool air is going to come a little bit later Friday, so that's going to mean Friday's a little bit more of a repeat of Thursday. Maybe not quite as warm, but still pretty warm. Saturday is when the winds change out of the northwest and we start to cool down. So up until then, great for mowing your lawn and all that stuff. Getting outside in general is going to be great through Friday. Saturday, not quite as nice. Why is that? Well, the jet stream is why we're so warm right now. It's allowing all these winds to flow out of the south. But as we work towards the later part of the week, low pressure starts to develop to our south. It undercuts the high pressure, like really replaces it, and then that just pulls cold air out of the north instead and flips the jet stream around. That's going to mean cooler air coming for the weekend and next week. And it's also going to mean, as that happens this weekend, that transition, it's going to rain. Saturday, you can expect rain. I'm expecting a couple rain showers here and there on the radar. Maybe not everywhere Sunday. Could even be mixed with a couple of snowflakes at times. So don't put away that jacket yet.